Gogottes. The first question almost invariably is, who's the artist? Who's the sculptor? And it's great when you kind of point to the sky and say, well, it's Mother Nature herself. And they go, no, but really, I mean, surely there's been some manipulation. I can see it's stone, but but who gets it into the shape? You go, no, that's Mother Nature. It is the purest form of unadulterated, unconditional artwork. It's sandstone with a very specific high level of silicon. And then, of course, over millions of years of compression and slight movement and things like that, this is what you end up with. So it's mind-boggling. When you see how old they are, then there's the kind of the enormity then kicks in of just thinking 30 million years ago. Oh, goodness, wow, this is... You can't see it as a lump of rock anymore. You can't walk past it. It has a presence. You can rationalize it to a certain point, but then beyond that, it just feels so big that you can't do anything with it. It's indigestible. Natural phenomena like Gogottes take it to a new level because you're touching and seeing something that, what was the world like 30 million years ago? It's kind of where art started. Because I do say to people, well, the greatest creator really is the creator of creation. Whoever he, she, it is.